Hi Ray. In addition to the previous two screencasts, um, one of these images wasn't working properly, so I downloaded the image and I've made a couple of changes, re-uploaded the image as a new image, not using replace media, and it's a PNG file. And you can see here that the preview thumbnail is not visible. The preview in here is not visible either. If I go to the direct link and it shows up. So that's kind of the final variable, I suppose, in this in what's happening with the media library. So I just thought I'd let you know. Okay, great. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.